Hello guys, dito ako mag-invest ng dalawang memorial lots for investment lang. Hindi ko pa alam dito ngayon hindi ko nakita yung location. So saan banda yung dalawang lots. Basta ang pinili ko roadside para pwede ka mag-park kung may kotse ka sa tapat mismo ng lupa mo. Anyway, for investment lang yun na kailangan in the future. Pwede nating ibenta. So the target date for completion of this Forest Lake Lumbangan, Forest Lake North Lumbangan is 2030. Okay, so eto na siya. Ang lot area nitong project is 7.5 hectares. So tingnan natin ang development dito. Kung wise investor ka, magandang investment ang Memorial lots because ang increase niya maganda, no? Yung kay Daddy, 10 lots na bili niya from 1999 to 2003. Ang selling nung 99 nata was only 15,000. Tapos yung price ngayon, pag in need, gusto yung talaga dun sa phase 1 is na 180,000. Grabe, no? Invest ka ng 18,000. After 25 years, it shoots up to 180. Not bad, no? Not bad kung may extra kang money to invest, no? Sa lupa talaga. Hindi bumababa yung presyo. So dito, ang promo price is only 50,000 per lot. Pag roadside, mas mataas ng konti. And pag pathway lot, nasa gitna siya. Ang tinatawag nilang MOSO or mausoleum lots, comprising 12 lots, is 800,000, pre-debt price. Tapos pag cash, spot cash price is 600,000. So may 600,000 ka, meron ka ng investment ng isang mausoleum lot. Yan muna guys, ito yung Forest Lake North Lumbangan. Thank you, good morning.
Splendor of the King, clothed in majesty, let all the earth rejoice, all the earth rejoice. He wraps himself